still here in the house, but I am now really ready to go. I was trapped in the rain. The name of the place is Noordswarp. So it sounds like German, Netherlands. Welcome to Central Coast. You can see it is raining now again. And there's one guy who don't care about the rain. Yeah, down there is beautiful, but I can't see the rest of it. Oh, I almost forgot this camera. Whoa, the small problem that I have is now a big problem. Look at this. So it's broken now. My pannier is now, my rack is broken. I don't know. Not good. So basically this one is get off of this yeah, here. And this one also, I lost the one. That's the first problem a while ago. You know, this one. Okay, we are good to go again. Nice. Temporarily I put this, but still I'm not sure about the other side because I don't have something to make it very tight. So yeah, we can go now. So coming from my hotel, I drive all the way to the Pacific Highway. I crossed the Pacific Highway and now I am here heading to the train station. I forgot the name. This is the Warner Vale Public School and we'll keep on going. Yeah, we just stopped here. We're going to buy a cappuccino and a little breakfast. Yo, now I am wearing this mask because here in Central Coast, Sydney and Wollongong area, mask is required in public transportation. Yeah, I saw all the other guys in there, they are wearing masks. And we are in Warner Vale station. The train has arrived. I am 5 minutes early. That's nice. As you can see, there are people, they are checking if the people actually paid for their travel. Nice. Inspector. Yo, we are now here in the Central Station. I noticed that they are doing some improvements here in the station. So the train for my next destination will be leaving in 36 minutes. So better we go out first and that's it. The travel is about yeah, almost 2 hours of travel from from the station where I started. I forgot the name. We are now here in the park very near to the train station. We'll be just quick here to eat the food. I hope it's still good. Judging the smell of it, still good. And I'm very satisfied with that. And we are now going back to the station. I actually need to take this out so that I can hang the bike on that side. And if you can see in here, there is a space for the bike, and that's what I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. Maybe it's not fit because it looks big to me.
Stopping at Stratfield, Parramatta, Blacktown, Penrith, Indian Plains, Lapsden, Glenbrook, Blacksland, Warrior, Valley Heights, Springwood, Bullaborough, Wentworth Falls, Leura and Katoomba. Customers are reminded there are 2 quiet carriages, the first and last carriage on this service. Also on New South Wales trains, a non smoke. Please mind the gaps between the train and the platforms when leaving this service. Thank you for travelling, New South Wales Train.
Excuse me, this one is okay here?
Sorry?
There is some other better place?
Is it not getting stuck there?
It's good, but I am afraid with this the door.
Yeah, hopefully.
Or maybe I just stay.
No, maybe. It's alright, maybe just stay, watch it.
Yeah, I stay here.
The train's gonna leave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, the train is leaving and my bike is there, but yeah, I'm afraid it is blocking the. Yeah, it's blocking the way. Okay, we are now down here in the Katoomba. Oh, just when you get out of the train station will be like this. Heaps of construction going on at the moment. You know, this street here in Katoomba is very common in different cities of the world. Yeah, which is having so many establishments, shop, restaurant. This actually reminds me of the street in Baguio City in the Philippines. Also the street in Istanbul. There are many hotel choices here, but you know, also the prices they are not far away from each other, but I am choosing the best one. There are cheap hotels and expensive hotels, but you know, we're choosing the one with the nice view, but we actually don't know which one is that. The hotel that I got is 1 kilometer away from the town center. Yeah, so we're heading to that now. This is where I'm going to stay for tonight. This is just $71. Oh, my room is in the 2nd floor, and for the meantime I'm going to leave the bike here. This is the room. Nice, basic. There's a television, there's the toilet and shower. Probably, oh, no milk. Yeah, no milk. Ah, milk is outside. It's okay. Yeah. But oh, there's a Bible. Nice. There's a Bible. If I'm not mistaken, in the Philippines, Bible is still part of the most hotel. Some other hotels that I've been, they don't have. Okay, we go out first. It is now 4:49, and some of the shops are still open, so we can still enjoy the town. Okay, now we are back here in the street and we're going to have a dinner somewhere, I don't know yet. You know, biking around here is not easy because a lot of ascending road. You'll get tired easily. Oh, we're going to have this Korean, and we're going to have this bulgogi rice. Yeah, it looks Filipino taste. I don't know. It is $60. If it is seafood, it's 19. Yeah, I already checked in every restaurant here. Also, every company you need to sign in whenever you need to eat or you need to get to work. Yeah, and at the moment there's not so much people. There are more on that side near to the train station. I have my bike there, but less people here. I was not expecting that this much. It's a lot. Looks like I can finish this all. Actually, it tastes good. Not very far away, not very far from the usual taste, but still tastes different. This is my very first time to have this. And in case you don't know, I don't know how to use the chopstick. And they give me just this spoon. And probably if I am going to eat again in a Korean restaurant, I will order again the same like this one. The same like whenever I'm eating in the Chinese restaurant in Nelson Bay, I always eat just the fried rice. Very tasty, full of flavor. I actually have one more rice in here. It has the beef, mushroom, cabbage, carrots. There's also tomato, spinach, chili, spring onion. For sure it is also comes with the soy sauce. I'm not sure. This is $16 and this one is $7. Citrus with honey. More and more people are coming. Maybe there are already 5 pairs already inside. When I come here, there's just one table. We are going now. Most of the shops are closed already. The only open are the restaurant. Just some. If I am going to choose the one that I ate last night or this one that I just ate, I'll choose the one that I ate yesterday, the one that I ate last night. Yeah, the pork belly one. I prefer that one. Both of them are delicious, but the one from yesterday will be the first. Yeah, that's the hotel where I am staying. It's like a mansion. It's like a one big house. Let me show you. They have this garden. Nice. You can just sit down here, relax, enjoy the quietness.